There was a time when a light bulb was a light bulb. Well, then came halogen and compact fluorescents, and now LEDs.
So many choices, so many looks. Lighting is a language of design, especially now. When we talk lighting, we talk with Alan Margolin from M&M Lighting. Good morning, Alan.
Good morning.
So I know every now and then you get an opportunity to see all the new stuff in lighting. What's new now?
Well, clearly, we've had a whole cycle of brown chandeliers and brown bathroom lighting, faux painted, maybe with crystal on every once in a while. But clearly, the trend that started probably 2 years ago and is getting more and more popular is soft contemporary that's chrome, or soft contemporary with fabrics, chrome and crystal. So it's like the new modern look. Now, clearly it has elements of years past, but we're seeing all age groups interested in this new look, and it applies to bathroom lighting for your bathroom, it applies to pendants over your islands, it applies to evidently dining room chandeliers, and it's kind of like a modern revival. The second trend we're seeing is people really appreciating the great old designs from 50 years ago that were really made out of metals that were aged brass or aged pewter. These, we'll call them antique reproductions, have also been extremely popular the last 2 years and even getting more popular. Interesting problem is that they're metal, and it's tough to get real metal stuff made at a competitive price these days. And of course, as we know, everything is made in China. There's only a couple companies left in the United States that make light fixtures here.
And when you say the updated, we're talking mid-century stuff since we're talking lighting on some of this?
Yeah. Actually, it's a Houston company that found a designer on the East Coast that did some wonderful designs in reading lights and chandeliers, portable lights, lanterns for the outside of your house that are recreations of the lanterns you would see when they used to put candles in them and hang them on the side of your house. So, modern, soft modern, chromes, and then the traditional look, metal stuff from 50, 60 years ago.
And I assume you can get this with a variety of lamps in it. Like if I want to go to those LEDs or the compact fluorescents and stuff, they'll work with those?
Well, it wasn't that long ago, maybe 20 years ago, where everybody wanted everything halogen. And then the federal government in California ran out of electricity, so they decided we needed to use compact fluorescents, little fluorescents that screw in that save us, got 3/4 of the energy and still give you good light. So two big trends. Now everybody's walking into our store asking for LED. You can see LED in waterproof landscape lights. You can see LED in outdoor lanterns. You can see LED and pendants over your counter or island in your kitchen. And you can actually see LED in chandeliers, but not quite there yet. And you clearly can see LED in your recess lights. The most popular color right now is a warm color that looks like the incandescents they're about to outlaw. But clearly LED is coming down in price and still gives you, uses 1/4 electricity, and now is coming up with the right kind of light that people need quantity-wise. And it's going to just continue to improve and improve. We have one manufacturer coming out with screw-in LEDs that will be 60% brighter than they were last year at almost the same price. So it's kind of like flat screen TVs keep developing and getting fancier and fancier, and that's the way with LED bulbs. So and of course the federal government is pushing this to force people to save energy.
Whatever look you're looking to light, you'll look right when you visit M&M Lighting. Yes, I wrote that. Learn more about M&M at mmlighting.com. Thanks for being with us, Alan.